Hey, so when you guys are using your Blackstone, you got to clean it, right? After every time. Um, so after every cook, I do a kind of like a quick clean. That's what we're gonna show today. Um, but do a quick clean on this video, and then at some point we'll do a super clean, we'll call it. But in between cooks, just do a quick one. You got brown towels, no one cares. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Hey, so after you're cooking, you want to know how to clean your Blackstone. So I just did some steak and some green beans. You can see it's pretty gritty on here. So what I want to do first, turn it all off. And then what you want to do, here, let me get a wider shot. Set you guys up over here. That's not my kid screaming. I tell you, it's not. It's from that house, this house, behind these trees here. Those trees there. It's not my kid. Alright, there's some kind of kid screaming. Alright, so I have this scraper. You see it down in the description. It's not a putty knife. It's a lot thicker, as you can see. But what you want to do, scrape as much as you can off first. And what I'll normally do, I have paper towels underneath here. Grab a bunch. Clean this off. Now this is the, what we're going to do today is the in-between scrape. So I use this thing probably 2 or 3 times a week. So what I like to do is do like a light cleaning. Alright, so you can see, you see where it's dirty here? Scrape it where you see brown. We're spraying some regular water on here. The griddle is still hot enough where it's going to show you where it's dirty. So spray it and scrape away the brown. And I really only see it. It was up in here. And it's starting to go away. Even after cooking fish, you do this, you're not going to taste any fish on there. So we're pretty good here. A little bit here. Just scrape it. Either if you have a backside drain or if a front side drain, scrape it toward you. So I'm getting most of this water off. Next, grab your paper towels, or if you have a like a washcloth that you're going to use over and over. That's another good idea. That way you don't go through paper towels like crazy. Now for the in-between, every night type cleanings, I'll just do this. Gets most of the stuff off. if I'm doing it maybe once a week or once every couple of weeks, I'll really get down. I'll just keep going until I don't see much brown on there. But I'm not concerned about the brown that you're seeing on the paper towel right now. I got most of it off just now. So now, press the paper towels. You grab your vegetable oil or olive oil or whatever you're using. Square it down. And get ready for next time. You could use some gloves so you don't get your hands too hot. You want to make sure you get on the sides with the oil, especially if it's about to rain or anything. You want to make sure everything's nice and oiled up. So it's actually dirtier now than what it normally is. Normally it's cleaner than this when I do it, so of course the video I do it's coming up brown, but not too concerned. It's clean. It's ready for the next cook. That's all I got to do. Thanks for watching.